My name is Clifford Jackson. I'm the department head here at Ohio Technical College. We partner with Erie Insurance to help give students an idea of estimating from the shop and insurance perspective. During our estimating module, a representative from Erie Insurance will come in to teach the class. Students will be enrolled in the ICAR program and be able to obtain a Pro Level 1 status in refinishing and non-structural. We've also added custom paint to our collision program to give students another way to express their artistic abilities.
Hi, I'm Tom Martin. I'm the welding instructor for Rod and Customs Restoration and Collision. We teach ICAR, MIG, TIG, TORCH in ICAR curriculum. This is the steel test, the ICAR WCS 03. It's the MIG steel test. It consists of 10 different welds, and the students have been taking it this week. The majority, I'd say 95% of the students took it this week.
Also, along with our ICAR certification, we have ASE Reimbursement. Any students that take and pass their ASE can be reimbursed for the process.